2025, New York State. 66 unexplained aerial sightings reported in just 6 months. Some witnesses saw green orbs. Others described metallic discs. One report even claims an F-16 was struck by something, not from this earth. From Buffalo to Brooklyn, reports keep flooding in. Farmers see slow-moving orbs over fields. Urban residents report bright objects above rooftops. One commuter captured a disc hovering silently over the Hudson River during rush hour. It was just there, floating, glowing green, no sound. Then it zipped straight up and vanished. Another said, "We thought it was a drone until the jet came after it, and the jet went haywire." Locals are filming more than ever, and the footage is puzzling even skeptics. Insiders claim at least one Air National Guard pilot reported a near collision. Radar footage shows erratic patterns. Military bases near sightings go radio silent. Is this just new tech, or is the military chasing something they can't identify? Some say these are surveillance drones from other nations. Others believe they're not drones at all. Former Pentagon analysts suggest the orbs match the energy signatures of UAPs observed during the 2004 Nimitz encounter. The spike in New York isn't isolated. London, Osaka, and parts of Argentina are seeing the same shapes, same silence, same disappearances into thin air. Are we dealing with coordinated probes, dimensional observation, or mass hysteria? What do you think is behind the 2025 surge in sightings over New York? Is something watching us, or are we just finally watching back? Leave your theory in the comments, and subscribe for more mysteries, sightings, and deep dives from around the